Hello, welcome to India Sisters Kitchen. This is Amu and
Lata. Today we are going to make masala potato fry. This has a different taste with sour and spice in it. This is a fantastic combination with curd rice, sambar rice and rasam rice. Let's see how to make this recipe.
before that, please subscribe to India Sisters Kitchen channel. Click the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever we post a video. Okay, let's start.
Let's start to make the recipe. I have a cooker ready on the stove. I have half kg potatoes chopped and ready. Let's add it to the cooker. Pour water until the potato dips in the water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt in it. Close the lid, place the weight and wait until 1 whistle. I turned off the stove after 1 whistle. Keep aside until the pressure settles. Meanwhile, let's roast the masala ingredients. First add 1 teaspoon of black gram and roast it lightly on medium flame. It turned a little brown. Now add 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds, 6 dry red chillies and roast it in medium flame without getting burnt. Next add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, mix it, turn off the stove and transfer to a plate to cool it. By the time it cools off, let's peel off the potato skin and get it ready.
Akka, I peeled off the potato skin and the roasted masala has also cooled off.
With the cooled off roasted masala ingredients, let's add 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, add some water and grind it in a mixie. Ground masala is ready. Let's keep it here. Next, add 3 tablespoons of oil to a pan and heat it. Let it heat. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of Bengal Gram, 1 teaspoon of black gram and roast it. Next, add the boiled and peeled potatoes to it. Mix it slightly. Mix it in all directions so that the oil spreads all over. Add a few curry leaves. Next, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of salt, and then add the ground masala paste and mix it. I have a small lemon-sized tamarind water, add it as well. Mix all together nicely.
Akka, will it be dry?
Yes, we just have to keep sauteing on and off until it becomes dry. Now the masala has cooked nicely. Let's keep it aside. Now add 1 tablespoon of oil to a pan and heat it. Oil is hot now. Add 1 medium-sized onion chopped lengthwise. With that, add some curry leaves and saute it. Saute it half the way. Don't saute too much. Then add it to the potato masala fry.
Should we saute till it is translucent?
Yes, it should be translucent. While we eat, it should feel crunchy. Now add the onion to the potato masala fry. Then add some coriander leaves. That's it. The delicious potato masala fry is ready. Delicious masala potato fry is ready. Please try making it. We are sure everyone at your home will like it.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment. We will meet you with another wonderful recipe. Thanks for watching our video.